This is Alpha, and I'm the Papa. Welcome to our channel!
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga paps. So this time, makikita nyo yung toilet is tuloy-tuloy yung tubig. So keep filling water. So I think there's something wrong in the rubber inside the toilet bowl. So mga paps, so we will gonna replace it at makita nyo kung paano natin i-fix itong toilet. So ayan, first you need to turn off the water and take out the 3 bolts on the bottom of the toilet bowl. So we need to use the rubber gloves, the PPE, personal protective equipment is the gloves. So yan mga paps, at ating tatanggalin na yung 3 bolts na nag-a-attach sa toilet tank, water, and to the toilet bowl. So yan mga paps, ito yung tornilyo na sinasabi ko. There's a 3 bolt attaching the toilet bowl and the toilet tank. So ayan mga paps, at tanggalin na natin yung tank. Ayan, dahan-dahan nating ibaba mga paps. At dito ating papalitan yung rubber mga paps. Ayan, at ating simulan na. Ayan, makikita nyo yung black na palitan na din natin yan, yung black rubber na nakasealed sa between toilet tank and toilet bowl. So yan, take washing na natin. You need to take it out at palitan natin ng brand new. Ayan, at deform na siya mga paps. So as I said, we need to replace to the 3 bolt that I took it out. Ayan, ayan mga paps, nakita nyo yung pinalitan ko na rin. Ayan yung diferensya. Yung rubber na yon na naka-attach inside the toilet tank. So ayan, pinalitan na natin at hinihigpitan na. Ayan, ikot-ikot, pihitin mo paps. Ayan. So I just want to let you know, yan mga paps, if you can see those 3 bolt, I already replaced the brand new one. So I replaced that with and put the rubber washer between the inside and outside of the tank, so to make it sure it's sealed, no leak. Even you take it out the tank with water, it's not leaking. So yan mga paps, at ilagay ko na yung brand new rubber. Ayan yung sinasabi ko na rubber washer. So there's a washer inside too on the head of the bolt, and this is the bottom. So ayan mga paps, at ating i-attach natin yan, yung rubber na yun, nakapatong siya sa toilet tank. So yan mga paps, at ating ibabalik na natin yung toilet tank sa toilet bowl. So yan mga paps, at after nating ma-install, ayan, tinetesting na natin. So dapat mag-stop na yung tubig after nang mag-stop yung flushing. So yan mga paps, no more water.
Thank you for watching mga paps. So please click the notification bell para updated pa kayo sa mga i-upload ko pang video. Thank you very much and bye-bye.